Hello, my name is Madeline Child Grayson at Texas State University, and this is my research proposal about the effects of mindfulness-based cognitive therapy on the working memory of adults with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, also known as ADHD. So ADHD is known for negatively affecting working memory as well as other cognitive functions, and past research has shown that mindfulness training can improve cognitive functions such as working memory in healthy adults. And past research has also shown that daily mindfulness practice can decrease working memory degradation in high-stress scenarios. Mindfulness has also been found to reduce ADHD symptoms such as hyperactivity and inattention. So for this study, it is hypothesized that participants who receive the MBCT, which is the mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, are going to perform better on a visuospatial memory test than participants who receive the CBT, the traditional cognitive behavioral therapy. So there will be 60 participants who are all adults diagnosed with ADHD, and they will be recruited through a local diagnostician. Participants who complete the study will be compensated with a $15 gift card, and computerized random assignment will be used to assign participants to either Group A or Group B. So before any of the therapies, all participants in both groups will take the Corsi block tapping test, the CBTT, and that will be used to measure working memory. And then Group A, the participants in Group A are going to receive the mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, the MBCT, and Group B is going to receive the cognitive behavioral therapy. So Group B is the control group, and Group A is the experimental group. And so both groups will receive 6 50-minute sessions over the course of 4 weeks. So preferably that would be 2 sessions a week. And so every participant is going to get the same amount of time in a therapy session. And then after all 4 weeks of both of the therapies, participants are going to retake the CBTT, and then the scores will be recorded. So to analyze the scores, a paired t-test will be used, and it is proposed that Group A will have a significantly higher change in mean scores from time 1 to time 2 than Group B will. And here is the graph of the proposed scores, and this is time 1 and this is time 2, and then the blue line being Group A, the group who received the MBCT will be higher after the therapy compared to the CBT group. And so since the MBCT is proposed to have a significant positive effect in the working memory of adults with ADHD, then increased working memory capacity allows for better daily functioning and academic and work achievement in individuals with ADHD. So if people with ADHD can have better working memory capacity, then it will improve a lot of daily functions for them. So future studies who are studying the same concept could also test different forms of mindfulness training, because the MBCT is not the only type of mindfulness therapy. There's a lot of other therapies and skills that are used. Also, if doing something similar to this, study, then future research could also control for the amount of time spent independently practicing the mindfulness skills, because like we said over here, it was shown that people who were practicing outside of their like sessions where they were learning the mindfulness skills, if they practiced for more than 12 minutes outside independently, they were the participants who had the slower decrease in working memory in those high stress situations. So it would be interesting to also measure the time spent independently practicing in a study similar to this one. And then here are all the references. So thank you very much.